Dear student, welcome online classes. Myself, Mr. Bose Dabade, your geography teacher. Last 2 months, we discussed geography 2 chapters. One, maths, and second number chapters, India physical division. Understood? Today we discuss social study part B geography. Next chapter, rivers of India. So social studies, chapter number 10, geography chapter number 3, rivers of India, page number 75. First we read the first paragraph, introduction part. Our country has many rivers. The major rivers of India are the Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Narmada, Tapi, Krishna and the Kaveri. Most of the rivers empty themselves into either the Bay of Bengal or the Arabian Sea. Rivers of India. Student, we discussed in last chapter rivers of India and the physical division of India. India is a vast country. So that's why some climatologists, some geographers and geomorphologists divided in 6 physical division in India. हमारा भारत बहुत बड़ी कंट्री है, इसलिए भारत में 6 डिवीजन किए फिजिकल डिवीजन. नंबर 1 द नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन वॉल, नंबर 2 द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, नंबर 3 द वेस्टर्न डेजर्ट, नंबर 4 द ग्रेट पेनिनसुलर प्लेटू, number 5 the coastal plains or coastal lowlands, and number 6 the Indian island. Understood? So India is divided in separate 6 physical division. In this lesson we will discuss rivers of India. There are number of rivers in India like Ganga, Brahmaputra, then Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, Yamuna. The number of rivers in India. Understood? There are 2 types of rivers in India. The rivers of India can be broadly divided into the following 2 categories. Number 1 perennial river and number 2 non-perennial rivers. बहुत रिवर है इंडिया में, लेकिन उनकी 2 डिवाइडेड किया है 2 पार्ट में. नंबर 1 पेरिनियल रिवर एंड नंबर 2 नॉन पेरिनियल रिवर्स. फर्स्ट पॉइंट हम देखेंगे द पेरिनियल रिवर्स. Rivers in which there is water throughout the year are called the perennial rivers. Rivers that originate in the glaciers of the Himalayas are snow-fed and therefore perennial. These rivers provided water for irrigation and other use. The Ganga and the Yamuna start from the glaciers Gangotri and Yamunotri. Respectively, rivers such as the Brahmaputra, Satluj and Indus are also formed by the melting snow. Silt from rivers make the land fertile. There are 2 types. There are 2 categories of rivers. Number 1 perennial river. Perennial river का मतलब ये है कि जो रिवर को पूरे की पूरे साल तक पानी रहता है. Perennial river means throughout year water available. It is called as perennial river. समझ में आया? So those rivers started in Himalaya mountain. Suppose this is a mountain region. Himalaya is a young cold mountain. Himalaya mountain range is the biggest mountain range in the world. Ganga river started in Gangotri. Yamuna river started in Yamunotri. Brahmaputra river started in Manas Sarovar. All these 2 important rivers. Ganga is the biggest river in India. Brahmaputra is the second largest river in India. These 2 rivers ending point, mouth point, it is called as Bay of Bengal. ये दोनों रिवर का पॉइंट है लास्ट पॉइंट जर्नी. लास्ट जर्नी पॉइंट है Bay of Bengal. These 2 rivers in important river in North India started in the Himalaya mountain. Yamuna is a tributary of Ganga river. Tributary means small river we can join the big river. Tributary means उपनदी, छोटी नदी. एक बड़ी रिवर की स्मॉल रिवर है यमुना. देन इंडस रिवर, देयर इज 5 tributaries of Indus river. Perennial river means जो रिवर पूरे साल तक पानी वो रिवर को अवेलेबल है। और हमारे इंडिया में ये हिमालय माउंटेन में जो भी रिवर स्टार्ट हुई है उनको पेरिनियल रिवर बोला जाता है। Why the exact reason behind that? Because every season water is available. Rainy season, the continuously rain is going on. Then winter season, some areas are rainfalls. In summer season, in the all the Himalayas, top of the portion on the Himalaya mountain, there is a glacier. Glacier means बर्फ. ये बर्फ अवेलेबल है. And the solar radiation in summer season, these glaciers melt. समर में बर्फ का क्या हो जाता है? पानी हो जाता है और ये पानी रिवर में पूरे साल तक वाटर अवेलेबल है. इसलिए अंडरस्टूड. In this water, in this river, developed in the all North India agriculture division and agriculture department. These water used in the many ways: agriculture, development, industrialization, tourism based, hydroelectric power generation. The many ways are used of in this water. बहुत सारे ये पानी जो है ये पेरिनियल रिवर का अलग अलग टाइप से अलग अलग यूज करते हैं अलग अलग इंडस्ट्री में. Many rivers such as the Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and the Brahmaputra starts from the Himalaya and flow through the northern plains. The northern plains are divided into two rivers basin as follows. Ganga and Yamuna river, Ganga and Brahmaputra river and Indus river ये हिमालय में नॉर्थ हिमालय में स्टार्ट हुई है. ये रिवर ने नॉर्दर्न हिमालय के रिवर ने पेनिनसुलर रिवर ने पेरिनियल रिवर ने ये नॉर्थ इंडिया में क्या किया है? डेवलप किया है. प्लेन्स मैदान डेवलप किया है. नंबर 1 द इंडस बेसिन इन द वेस्ट एंड नंबर 2 द गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन इन द ईस्ट. The rivers of the northern plains bring down soil from the upper regions. This soil is called silt or alluvium. This river started on the mountains regions, Himalaya mountain regions, and there is a very big slope, deep slope. And these rivers water bring down from silts and mold material. ये रिवर के पानी के साथ कुछ सॉइल के पार्टिकल, रॉक के पार्टिकल क्या आते हैं और ये पूरे के पूरे रॉक और सॉइल पार्टिकल्स इस एरिया में स्प्रेड हुए हैं. तो ये एरिया को बोला जाता है प्लेन. प्लेन्स मतलब मैदान, प्लेन रीजन. ये प्लेन कैसे डेवलप हुए? ये रिवर ने अपने पानी के साथ सील्ट, रॉक मटेरियल, टिम्बर, वुड मटेरियल और ऑल द माउंटेन्स मटेरियल spread, bring down and spreading on that particular area. So this area is also called plains. ये रिवर ने ये मैदान बनाए हैं, प्लेन्स बनाए. Understood? There are two types of plains. One, the Indus basin, Indus plain, and the Ganga Brahmaputra plains. Understood? So today we discuss rivers of India. There are number of rivers in India, but there is a two types of rivers. One is perennial river and another is non-perennial river. What is meaning by perennial river? Perennial river means throughout year water available. Example: Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Indus. These rivers are the perennial rivers. These rivers bring down silt and some soil particle. It is called as alluvium, and this alluvium spread on this area. So the developed the great plains. There are two plains. One is Indus basin river and second is the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Understood? These plains and remaining part of the chapter we will discuss in next online lecture.